You know, rivers can be chaotic and messy, and that's a good thing. The Eagle Creek project is a large wood enhancement project aimed at improving the habitat conditions for juvenile salmon and steelhead, as well as adult spawners and those migrating through.
In the past, it was sort of thought that a lot of large wooden streams, rather than it being a benefit to salmon, that it was potentially a barrier and it was keeping them from expanding into habitat. And so we thought that by moving that large wood out, it was going to just expand more stream miles, you know, more room for spawning, more room for rearing. But that was an error, and what it really did is it removed this large wood that creates this diverse habitat that provides you know, a much better environment for salmon for both spawning and juvenile rearing. So we're kind of have shifted the focus a whole lot and are now trying to add that wood back in and really create these more natural ecosystems.
And so we've engineered these specific log jams to go in to try to scour more pools into the creek, slow down the flow, provide cover for fishes, and just have positive benefit in a number of ways. We are fortunate to be able to be using this helicopter to deliver the logs really close to where their final resting place will be and minimize that impact that construction is going to have. In order to design a project like this, first you identify what is the target fish species and habitat need. You can call it a limiting factor. What is that factor in the fish's life cycle that is most limiting to population success? And for Eagle Creek and the Clackamas River, it's been identified as juvenile rearing habitat, a lack of habitat complexity, and access to side channels and off-channel habitat. And so we are adding a lot of wood to this river system, both to provide that habitat, but also to do what you might say is reset the geomorphic trajectory. So try to give the river the tools it needs to have that diversity of habitat and that habitat complexity that fish really need. The changes will be drastic from the fish's view, but really minor for people using the park. There'll still be a trail system and fishing opportunities, but just a little more wood and habitat in the system, and hopefully more fish.